Bonjour mes amis, welcome back to Life in the Empty Nest. This week's video, I'm going to take you along to a real French brocante. A brocante is a French antique flea market, basically. And there was one in our area that was for 3 days. And we did 2 of the 3 days. And for, treasure hunters and interior lovers like me, it was like being like a kid in the candy store, really. And we had a great time. There was so much to see. It was a little overwhelming the first day. That's why we went back on the third day and kind of knew where we wanted to head and kind of narrowed down things we were looking for. But it was really fun, and it was really a great community place too. They had music and they had oysters and food and wine, of course, and it was just a really cool atmosphere too. The weather was beautiful, which helped as well. So please be sure to stay to the end of the video so you can see what treasures we did find, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to, click that little notification bell so you get notified when we post videos, which I promise we are going to be doing more often. So hope you like it. Come along to the brocantes. Au revoir. Okay, so here's our haul from the Brocante. We decided that we wanted to start collecting vintage corkscrews since that's our thing, and some would be good for gifts. The prices varied at the store. I mean, at the show, basically like some, they wanted 40 euros for these ones. Some people wanted as much as 35 for these. We got all 5 for 24 euros.
24, yeah.
Yeah, 24 euros, which was really great. We had made friends with a lady there. But this is like a vintage ashtray, which Guillaume here, he smokes cigars from time to time. But this one's been made into a lamp. And I don't know, it was 15 euros, but it's really cool. It's super heavy. Yeah, I mean, and we're going to probably get something that's, a battery operated thing so it can be outside because there's no smoking in the house, so there'd be no electricity to plug it in.
Well, you actually got the 3 scarves in this for 20 euros.
Yeah, I got three silk scarves in that for 20 euros. And the scarf, I live in France. Everybody wears scarves, so I need to, step up my game here. And I also got some brooches. I want to be a brooch person because I always loved them. I mean, I think they're all antique and they're like 5 euros a piece. And then I got this fabric. I think it's just kind of a table runner, but it has my daughter's initials on it. So I'm going to make something for her from that. Then I got these, oh God, I can't even remember how to say the last thing. Sarah Guinness is the maker. They're from the 1800s, and they all depict a different person on them, which I thought they're really cool. I love the transfer wear, and I want to start collecting colorways. I don't want anything to match, but there are 7 of them, and I wanted the black because I'll use that one of these days when I have dinner parties again, when I get a house or whatever. So 7 of them for 40 euros, which is good because I'm looking online and they're about 15 euros a piece. So there was another lady who had another stack that was 100 euro. Demonstrate. So you just screw it all the way down
when
into
it's
the
fully
cord.
seated, and then you just run the lever and it extracts it out.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know why maybe I'm so amazed by it. I haven't really tried them, but they're old. They're probably early 1900s. But they're cool, and it's just a nice collectible, and I think a nice gift, especially when you live far away from your family. Yeah. Anyway, so we had fun. Yes, I want that other bottle though. Could you give me I don't want that one. Okay. Will likes this. To me, it's a little too young for me as far as the flavor profile. But bring the other bottle over here so I can show what that one is. This one is really good. And so this is one of their better, not better, just one of their higher end wines. And I mean, it's $8, €8 a bottle. So, I can drink as much as I want then, right? Okay.
And this one was, what was the price on this one?
I think six something. Okay.
Cheers.
Salut. See you next time. Say bye, Princey.